Hey guys, and welcome back to my Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I am going to add a point meter to the project we have made in the last video. So for that you will need the project we have made in the last video, a point meter, a single jumper wire, and a small breadboard. And also we need some male to female jumper wires. So now let's connect the point meter to the Arduino board. So for that I will use these 4 jumper wires and I will connect it to the point meter, as you can see over here, like this. And now these 4 pins I will connect to the Arduino board. So the first one is the brown one and it will be connected to the ground pin of the Arduino board. The second one is the 5-volt pin and it will be connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino board. So as you can see over here, here is another pin of servo motor which I will take and I will plug it into the breadboard. This 5-volt pin I will also plug it to the breadboard. And now this yellow pin I will take and I will connect to the breadboard, and this one side I will connect to 5-volt pin of the Arduino board. So the 5-volt battery will go through here to the point meter and also to the servo motor. The next one is the orange one and it will be connected to the A1. And the last one is the yellow one pin and it will connect it to the A0 pin of the Arduino board. So as you can see over here, the point meter is being connected to the Arduino board. Okay, so this is the code, and when you will upload this code to your Arduino board, the point meter will be working with the servo motor, and you will get this code in the description or in the pinned comment. Now let's connect the Arduino board or the project to a PC or a laptop. So take this side USB side and connect it to a laptop